Stepping into a home should feel like a warm embrace. It's that first impression that sets the tone for everything else. The warmth of the lighting, the coziness of the decor, and the welcoming atmosphere all play a crucial role in making a house feel like a home. In 2025, home staging trends are all about creating spaces that are both stylish and inviting. Think warm minimalism. This means blending the sleek, clean lines of modern design with the comforting elements that make a space feel lived in and loved. It's about striking the perfect balance between form and function, beauty and comfort. Imagine clean lines and a sense of spaciousness, but with soft textures and inviting colors. The furniture is simple yet elegant, with each piece chosen not just for its aesthetic appeal, but also for its comfort. The colors are warm and inviting, creating a space that feels both open and intimate. Picture cozy throws draped over neutral-colored sofas and natural light pouring in from large windows. The throws add a touch of softness and warmth, while the natural light enhances the overall ambiance of the room. It's about creating a space that feels both bright and cozy, a place where you can relax and unwind. Cozy chic is another trend taking center stage. This style combines the best of both worlds, the elegance of chic design with the comfort of cozy elements. It's about creating a space that looks sophisticated yet feels incredibly inviting. Think plush bedding, soft rugs, and warm lighting. This style is all about rich, earthy tones like warm caramel, inviting rust, and comforting mustard. These colors create a sense of warmth and coziness, making the space feel grounded and welcoming. It's about using color to evoke a feeling of comfort and relaxation. Imagine plush velvet cushions, woven tapestries, and the gentle glow of candlelight. These elements add texture and warmth to the space, creating a sense of intimacy and comfort. The velvet cushions are soft and inviting, the tapestries add a touch of artistry, and the candlelight creates a warm, soothing ambiance. It's about creating a sense of intimacy and warmth, a space where you can feel close to your loved ones, where every corner invites you to sit down and stay a while. It's about making a house feel like a home, a place where memories are made and cherished. And let's not forget biophilic design, bringing the outdoors in. This trend is all about incorporating natural elements into your home decor. Think indoor plants, natural materials, and design elements that mimic the beauty of the natural world. It's about creating a connection with nature, even when you're indoors. This trend is all about incorporating natural elements to create a sense of peace and tranquility. The use of greenery, wood, and stone helps to create a calming environment, a sanctuary from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It's about creating a space that feels serene and grounded. Think lush greenery, large windows framing leafy views, and natural materials like wood and stone. These elements not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the space, but also create a sense of harmony and balance. It's about bringing the beauty of the outdoors into your home. By incorporating these trends into your staging, you'll be creating spaces that resonate with buyers on a deep emotional level. It's about creating a connection, a feeling of warmth and comfort that makes a house feel like a home. It's about making a lasting impression. Remember, you're not just selling a house, you're selling a feeling, a sense of belonging, a place where people can see themselves living and creating memories. It's about selling a lifestyle, a dream, a lifestyle, a dream, a place where every detail has been thoughtfully considered to create a space that feels both beautiful and inviting, a place that feels like home. Ready to turn your passion for design into a thriving business? It all starts with a solid plan. Your business plan is your roadmap to success, outlining your goals, strategies, and how you'll navigate the exciting world of home staging. First, define your target market. Are you drawn to staging luxurious waterfront properties? Or perhaps your heart lies in transforming cozy cottages? Once you know who you're designing for, you can tailor your services and marketing efforts to attract your ideal clients. Next, research your competition. What are other stagers in your area offering? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Understanding your competitive landscape will help you carve out your unique niche and stand out from the crowd. And don't forget to build a stunning portfolio. Your portfolio is your visual resume, showcasing your talent and design aesthetic. Start by staging homes for friends or family, even offering your services at a discounted rate, to gain experience and build a collection of breathtaking before and after photos. Marketing and branding. In the digital age, a strong online presence is essential for any successful business. And for home stagers, It's all about crafting a brand that reflects your unique style and speaks to your target audience. Social media is your best friend. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are visual playgrounds where you can showcase your stunning work. Create a cohesive aesthetic that reflects your brand identity and share high-quality photos of your staged homes. Engage with potential clients, share design tips, and build a community around your brand. Networking is just as important online as it is offline. Connect with local real estate agents, attend industry events, build relationships with professionals who can refer clients your way. Word-of-mouth referrals are incredibly powerful, so make sure you're putting yourself out there and building genuine connections. Remember, marketing is all about telling your story and connecting with people who resonate with your vision. Be authentic, be passionate, and watch your business blossom. Financial planning for success. Creativity is at the heart of home staging, but let's not forget about the numbers. While your artistic vision sets you apart, it's the financial planning that will sustain your business in the long run. Balancing creativity with financial acumen is key to ensuring that your passion translates into a profitable venture. Solid financial planning is crucial for turning your passion into a profitable venture. This involves not just understanding your costs, but also forecasting your revenue and managing your cash flow effectively. By keeping a close eye on your finances, you can make informed decisions that will help your business grow. Start by setting competitive prices for your services. This means conducting thorough market research to understand what other stagers in your area are charging. It's important to consider factors like your experience level, the size and location of the property, and the scope of the project. Competitive pricing can help you attract clients while ensuring that your business remains profitable. Research what other stagers in your area are charging, and consider factors like your experience level, the size and location of the property, and the scope of the project. Additionally, think about the unique value you bring to your clients. Are there specific services or expertise that set you apart? Highlighting these can justify a higher price point and attract clients who are willing to pay for quality. Keep track of your expenses meticulously. This includes everything from furniture rentals to transportation costs to marketing materials. Every dollar counts, and by keeping detailed records, you can identify areas where you might be able to cut costs or invest more strategically. Regularly reviewing your expenses can also help you spot trends and make adjustments as needed. From furniture rentals to transportation costs to marketing materials, every dollar counts. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your expenses so you can price your services appropriately. This will ensure that you're not only covering your costs, but also making a profit. Remember, a well-managed budget is the backbone of a successful business. Use accounting software or hire a bookkeeper to stay organized and ensure you're pricing your services to ensure profitability. These tools can help you keep track of your income and expenses, generate financial reports, and even forecast future revenue. By staying organized, you can make better financial decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Consider offering packages or tiered pricing to cater to different client needs and budgets. This can make your services more accessible and attractive to a wider range of clients. For example, you might offer a basic package for clients on a tight budget and a premium package for those looking for a more comprehensive service. By offering different options, you can appeal to a broader audience and increase your chances of securing more business. This can make your services more accessible and attractive to a wider range of clients. Happy clients are more likely to refer you to others, and word of mouth can be a powerful marketing tool. By providing excellent service and meeting the needs of your clients, you can build a strong reputation and grow your business through referrals. Remember, financial success in the home staging business is about finding the sweet spot between creativity and smart business practices. It's not just about having a great eye for design, it's also about being able to manage your finances effectively. By balancing these two aspects, you can create a sustainable and profitable business that allows you to do what you love. By staying organized, pricing your services strategically, and tracking your finances, you'll be well on your way to building a profitable and sustainable business. Financial planning might not be the most glamorous part of home staging, but it's absolutely essential for long-term success. With the right approach, you can turn your passion into a thriving business that brings joy to your clients and financial stability to you. Please subscribe to our channel for us to make more educational videos like this one. Don't forget to like us on YouTube. Thank you for watching.